It's not AI that's changing the world. It's the clever humans using it to shake things up. Imagine boosting your productivity by 4 to 5 times with AI. Yep, that's the kind of career upgrade we're talking about. At K21 Academy, we'll teach you how to master AI and machine learning on AWS Cloud, giving you the superhero skills to stay ahead in today's tech-powered world. Whether you're ready to switch your job or just want to level up in your current role, this course is your golden ticket to future-proofing your job. We've got it all: flexible learning, hands-on projects, and certifications that make you job-ready from day one. So, are you ready to join the AI revolution? Come on over. Sign up for a free 2 hours masterclass today at k21academy.com/AWSAI02. You will get complete roadmap, list of hands-on labs and projects your must-perform AI and ML certification you must do, and our 3-step simple-to-follow framework that has helped 44,000 individuals like you. This masterclass is absolutely free, so register now.